Immerse yourself in a television revolution with our innovative solution.
In this connected world, transform your television experience.
Discover how a simple coaxial cable can open doors to limitless entertainment.
Welcome to a new era where every channel is at your fingertips.
Dive into the freedom of choice and enjoy a completely transformed television experience.
Use a coaxial cable of approximately 40 centimeters and add a connector to one of its ends. Next, take a tape measure and measure 5 centimeters from the end of the cable.
Mark this point and then measure an additional 6 centimeters, marking another point. Starting from the first mark, carefully remove the entire RG6 coaxial cable sheath until reaching the copper conductor.
Following the marked line, carefully remove the rubber cover protecting the cable. Ensure to measure the length of the exposed cable, guaranteeing a minimum of 31 centimeters of free copper cable. Use the tape measure to measure 14 centimeters from the end of the dielectric over the copper conductor and proceed to make the cut. Finally, verify that you have at least 17 or 18 centimeters of free copper cable remaining. We will take the loose cable and connect it to the coaxial cable in the section where the uncovered mesh is, ensuring that both ends match. Use a tool to wrap the excess cable, thus ensuring a solid connection between the two elements.
Now, to shape our antenna, we will take each conductor and bend it 90 degrees relative to the body of the coaxial cable. This process will provide us with a half-wave dipole designed for the central frequency of 490 MHz with a bandwidth ranging from 470 to 530 MHz. Ensure that the antenna is matched at -10 decibels and has a VSWR voltage standing wave ratio of 1.5 to 2, which complies with acceptable standards. This optimized design will guarantee efficient performance within the specified parameters. Precision in measurements. Ensure that all measurements are carried out accurately using appropriate tools, such as tape measures and cutting tools. Careful stripping of the cable. When removing the coating of the coaxial cable, do so carefully to avoid damaging the copper conductor. Use suitable tools for this step. Secure connection. When joining the loose cable to the coaxial cable, ensure that the ends match and use appropriate tools to guarantee a secure connection. Precise bending. When bending the conductors to form the dipole, make the bends precisely at 90 degrees relative to the body of the coaxial cable. Frequency adjustment. Verify that the antenna is tuned to the specified central frequency, 490 MHz, and that the bandwidth covers the desired range, 470 to 530 MHz. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that the antenna complies with established regulations and has a VSWR within acceptable limits, -10 decibels and 1.5 to 2. Interference protection. Place the antenna in a location free from electromagnetic interference and avoid obstacles that may affect its performance. Final verification. Before using the antenna, perform a final check to confirm that all connections are secure and that the antenna is ready for use. Following these final recommendations will ensure precise construction and efficient operation of your homemade antenna.
All I
If you found this content on RF antenna design interesting, I encourage you to subscribe to RF Antenna Designs to access more information and tutorials related to the fascinating world of antennas. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to view our content. Thank you for your interest and continuous support.